Everyone knows La Union for the surf, but if you're looking for a place to think, drink, or just disappear for a while, not all beaches are created equal. We're counting down the top 8 spots in La Union, from the social hubs to the hidden gems. Starting at number 8 is the heavy hitter, Urbis Tondo Beach. It's the heart of the action. If your idea of introspecting involves people watching with a coffee in hand or meeting fellow travelers between sets, this is your home base. It's crowded, it's loud, and it's legendary. Number 7, Ili Norte Beach, San Juan, La Union. Just a stone's throw away is Ili Norte. It's the perfect middle ground. You're still close enough to the bars and resorts to feel the energy, but it's quite quiet enough to actually hear your own thoughts. It's Urbis Tondo's light. All the fun, slightly less chaos. Number 6, Barangay Santiago Beach, Caba, La Union. Now for a total 180, we head to Barangay Santiago. Even the waves are quiet here. There are resorts nearby, but the vibe is completely different. Peaceful, still, and almost meditative. If you want to forget the world exists, Caba is the place. Number 5, Barangay Pandan, Bacnotan, La Union. At number 5, things get a little artsy. Barangay Pandan attracts a creative crowd. If you are lucky enough to catch a concert at Alpas, you'll find a community of artists and dreamers. It's got a soul that sets it apart from the rest of the coast. Barangay Cabanarwan, Bacnotan is number 4. Hidden near the Holcim plant is in Quirino is Cabanarwan Beach. Very few people know about this stretch of sand. You'll likely pass it on your way to Imuki Island, but it's worth a stop if you want a beach all to yourself. It's raw, industrial, and surprisingly serene. Number 3, Barangay Tamukalaw, Bacnotan. If you have your own ride and don't mind going off the beaten path, Tamukalaw Beach is a must. It's a vast expanse of sand that seems to go on forever. It's far from the highway, making it the ultimate spot for a long run or a lonely walk. Just you, the wind, and the horizon. At number 2, Pagdarawan and Carlatan Beaches, San Fernando. These are the twin shores of Pagdarawan and Carlatan. The shore is a bit rocky and the area is more populated, but trust me on this, the view is unbeatable. With the Poro Point landmass sitting on the horizon, the sunsets here are some of the most dramatic in the entire province. And finally, the top spot goes to Pebble Beach in Nalvo Norte, Luna, La Union. This is the peak of quiet and aesthetics. The water here is a stunning striated mix of turquoise and dark navy blue. Instead of sand, you're walking on a mosaic of multicolored pebbles. It's a literal work of art by nature, and the perfect place to end your La Union journey. From the surf of San Juan to the stones of Luna, La Union, it has a shore of every mood. Which one are you heading to first?